this video of LinkedIn marketing course, we are going to find out some of the key benefits of groups on the LinkedIn platform. And if you are a business, then these benefits are very important for you. Or I can simply say these groups are very important for you. So let's directly jump into the video and find out what are those benefits. So guys, as you can see, let's start with the benefits first, right? Benefits of joining a LinkedIn group first, right? So if you are a business or if you are just a simple individual person, individual employee, what are the benefits of joining a LinkedIn group, right? So the first point is expand your content reach. Obviously guys, if you have joined a LinkedIn groups or if you have joined a single individual LinkedIn groups or multiple LinkedIn groups, it will help you to expand your content reach. Whatever the content you are posting on your profile, you can share that content in the groups as well, and obviously automatically your content will get higher reach, right? Now the second point is increase your credibility in the industry. Obviously if you are joining LinkedIn groups related to your industry or the from same industry you are joining the LinkedIn groups, obviously this will help you to increase your credibility in the industry itself, because the people who have joined that particular group are also from the same industry. So this will increase your network, and obviously they know that you are from that particular industry, right? Now the third point is generating leads. If you are a business or maybe if you are an individual employee and still you want to generate some leads for any product or services, or maybe you want some good employees, so for that reason you can go for LinkedIn groups, and obviously you can generate some high quality leads as a business, as an individual profile on the LinkedIn, right? The fourth point is grow your network. So after going through these benefits, obviously you got to know that this will help us to increase, or this will help us to grow our network automatically. Because let's say if a LinkedIn platform has 10,000 followers, and if we join that group, obviously we get exposure to 10,000 extra members with whom we can make connections, right? So obviously this will help you to grow your connection. If you are finding the relevant person in the group, you can directly send them a connection request. Then the fifth point is latest update and news. Obviously if you want to get the latest update and news from digital marketing industry, so what you have to do is you just need to join some of the groups from digital marketing industry. If you want to get latest news and updates from software development industry, what you need to do, just go on LinkedIn platform and join some development and software development groups, and you are good to go, right? Now the sixth point is survey and feedback. Yes guys, if you have new product or services, what you can do is you can directly go to these LinkedIn groups and you can get some feedback from their fellow members, or you can do a survey that how much your product or service is useful and helpful, right? Now at the last we do have hire employees and freelancers. Yes, as I already mentioned here in the grow your network option, generating leads option, if you want to hire good quality or potential employees and freelancers, you can directly go to LinkedIn groups and join those groups and ask for your requirement, right? I hope the benefits are clear if you join a LinkedIn group. Now what are the benefits if you create your own LinkedIn group? The first one is group can be monetized in many ways. Yes, there are tons of ways which can be used in order to monetize your LinkedIn group, but we are going to talk about this later in the upcoming videos. I'm going to explain you how you can monetize your LinkedIn group in a appropriate and better way, right? So stay tuned for this video, hit that subscribe and bell icon so that you don't miss that particular video. Now the second point is build your own community. Yes guys, now if you have the group, if you are the owner of that group, so obviously the group will run or group will operate on your preferences, on your terms and conditions, right? So ultimately it is your own community, right? Now the third point is self-sustainable. So compared to LinkedIn page, LinkedIn group is self-sustainable, where tons of other, I mean not tons of, thousands of other members are posting content on your LinkedIn group, right? You are the owner, but the members are posting content on a regular basis and other members are engaging with those content. So it is self-sustainable. You just need to work on an initial basis and you need to get some traffic, get some traction, and then it will become a self-sustainable thing, right? Now the fourth point is grow your network. Obviously, if you are the owner, so you are the star of your group, right? Everyone will know you. Let's say if you have 10,000 or maybe 1 lakh people in your group, so everyone will know that who is the admin of this particular group, right? So this will automatically help you to grow your network. Now it is your take, it is your choice whom you want to connect with or whom you don't want to connect with, right? Now the fifth point is build your business reputation and credibility in the market. Now let's say you have your own business as well, and as well as you have a group. So what you can do is you can promote your business in that particular group, and ultimately it will help you to build your brand reputation and credibility in the market, in the industry, right? So these are the benefits of creating a LinkedIn group and growing that group in a long term, right? Now let's go to the third slide, and here I have mentioned types of LinkedIn groups. So mainly there are two types of LinkedIn groups. The first one is listed groups and the second one is unlisted groups. So what are the benefits between these two groups? Normally or simply, the listed groups are open groups, or you can say the visible groups, which can be appear in the search results if you have the same interest with the group. Then the listed groups will appear in search results, suggestions, and can be shared to anyone, right? But on the other hand, unlisted groups are hidden groups that doesn't appear in the search results and doesn't appear in any suggestions or can't send any link. You just can access an unlisted group through a direct link or when invited, right? So this is the way to join an unlisted group, right? And joining a listed group is pretty simple. You can directly search on LinkedIn platform and find out the group, right? Now there's one more thing, that you can change your listed group to unlisted, or you can change your unlisted group to listed after creating it. So you don't have to worry about it, but the thing is it takes around 24 to 48 hours to change the type of group, right? So keep this thing in mind before creating a listed or an unlisted group, right? So I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope you like this video. If you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also, don't forget to share this video with your needy friends who want to learn LinkedIn marketing and want to excel in the world of corporates, right? So let's wrap up this video here. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.